Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Johan Botha. I'm here from South Africa, and I want to tell you about Matrix Booster, which is not 24 hours old yet. All right, what is Matrix Booster? This is a 3-level BNB velocity protocol. So it is working on the OPBNB blockchain network. It's non-custodial and it's immutable. It runs on the smart contract. It's managed by the smart contract. Right, we want to move away from owner managed or human managed website protocols. Right, nothing against them, but we know that the big issue is the trust issue. Yeah, we know that the smart contract manages each and every transaction. That makes it much safer. No one can steal the money. No one can switch off the platform or withdraw any other funds as well, or run away with the funds. All right, everything is managed and handled by the smart contract itself. So Matrix Booster is a new era of Web3 engagement. It's built for community builders and not just spectators sitting on the side waiting for something to happen. All right. So Matrix Booster is a cutting-edge, non-custodial smart contract deployed on the lightning-fast OPBNB network. It is not an investment or ROI or a staking platform. It is pure participation-based rewards protocol designed to reward active community builders. All right. So it is 100% immutable smart contract. No one can change any codes. The code is lawyer, and once it's deployed, the rules cannot be changed by anybody. All right, so that includes the developers. So nobody can make any changes to this. Once it is been deployed, the rules are set in stone, basically. So code is lawyer. Right, it's peer-to-peer transactions. It's via the smart contract. So all routes flow directly between member wallets. There's no middleman, no custodian, and no central pool where the funds can be withdrawn or stolen or anything like that. Right, it's lightning fast and there's low gas fees on the OPBNB network. This is Binance layer 2 level. Right, so for near instant confirmations and minimal fees. Let's look at the accessibility and secure entry. Right, entry point is 0.01 BNB on the OPBNB network that will activate your position in Matrix Booster. Right, the recommended wallet is SafePal Web3 wallet. However, you can use any wallet that accommodates the OPBNB network, but we suggest to use SafePal wallet because we use it ourselves. It's for security purposes, smooth interaction, and you have full self-custody of your funds in your wallet. Right, then the network, as already said, it's OPBNB. Make sure your wallet is set to the correct network before interacting with the URL of a Matrix Booster. And remember that self-custody always, your keys, your coins. So Matrix Booster never holds, transfers, or controls the funds. Every interaction is a direct signed transaction from your wallet to the immutable smart contract. Right now, how does the payouts work? The smart contract distributes the funds in 3 levels. All right, so when you engage and help expand the community, the smart contract routes the rewards instantly and transparently based on your active participation. Direct sponsor rewards. You are getting rewarded 40% if you refer other people with your link, and then the owner of that position gets 40%. Right, so the matrix distribution. The remaining allocation flows across 3 active uplines. So there's 3 levels only in this program. So every level gets rewarded in one transaction. Right, so it's on-chain transparency. Every route is visible through the smart contract events and dashboard activity. There's no hidden flaws. This is transparent. Anyone can view the smart contract. It's public. Nothing is getting hidden here. All right, so the velocity, all routing happens in a single transaction, in one transaction. Once a member joins, that 0.01 BNB is split up immediately distributed to 3 uplines and also to the referrer, the 40% direct commission. Right, so then there is also a booster flow, a very simple deterministic routing model where every entry, every cycle, and every position handles the same way by the contract. Right, so your entry fee is 0.01 BNB. Direct sponsor commission is 40%. Matrix distribution is 3 uplines, 20% basically. And then, or the 60% is 20% per level. So it's 40% goes to the sponsor, 60% goes to 3 uplines. In other words, it's 20% to every level. Right, and then there's a feeder that claim as well, where the target is to meet 0.01 for the Matrix platform and 0.015 for the Apex smart contract platform. Why 0.015? Because that will give you 3 positions in Apex, right? Where you can learn about crypto and get educated about that as well. Right, the Matrix is similar to this one. It's a participation-based model on the smart contract. Both of these are smart contract managed platforms as well. Right, so these feeders, you can claim them once your stage 1 reaches 0.01 BNB. And when your stage 2 reaches 0.015 BNB for your Apex, you claim those funds and you register your positions in those respective independent platforms as well. So just to recap, there's an instant 40% reward that gets routed to the sponsor's wallet the moment the re-entry or the entry is confirmed on the blockchain, right? And then 3 active uplines gets paid 20% of that in that same transaction immediately. Right now, and the feeder vault that accumulates and you claim when you meet the target. For Matrix, it's 0.01 BNB, and for Apex, it's 0.015 BNB. Right, and then that process will continue over and over. You first need to finish the Matrix, then you need to finish Apex, and once Apex is finished, you will start again at accumulating funds in the feeder for the Matrix. All right, so the feeder vault dashboard. What's the progress in real time? Once you will see when you are inside the platform, there's a progress bar that shows you exactly how much you are short of reaching these targets. But once you reach the target of 0.01 BNB for the Matrix, you will see a button pop up immediately that says claim. Right, then you can claim those funds. It gets released by the smart contract immediately to your wallet. The same for the Apex feeder target. Once you reach 0.015 BNB and you claim that funds, it is released instantly to your wallet. So the money is not routed somewhere else or sent to another contract or something. You have to manually withdraw this money and register your positions in the Matrix or in Apex as well. All right, so how do you get started in the Matrix Booster? All right, first of all, if you haven't installed a SafePal wallet or a Web3 wallet, that's the first thing you have to do. And you can download this from your Play Store. Take note that you need to download it from the official Google Play Store or safepal.com, not just any website. There are many scam applications out on the market as well. All right, so then you add 0.0101 BNB on your wallet on the OPBNB network. Right, so then you connect on the Matrix Booster D app, or you copy the link and you paste it in your D app browser in the wallet itself, and you just make sure that you are on the OPBNB network and you connect and press go. Once you're in the website, you will connect your wallet if it is not connected, and you will purchase a position. It says add position. All right, and then you will be active, and your link will also be active to copy and to send to more people. So a key point to remember is you always control your own keys, your own 12 words. That is what you use to install or to create a new wallet in SafePal or in any Web3 wallet. Make sure that you write down those 12 words. Matrix Booster is a non-custodial protocol. The smart contract just manages the funds. It doesn't keep the funds. No human being is keeping or holding the funds here for you. Right? It's the funds are never leave your wallet except through transactions you personally sign. Make sure that you do not give those 12 words to anybody else. And all funds that are available that must go to your wallet is sent to your wallet instantly. The funds in the feeder wallet, when you claim it, it's sent to your wallet instantly. Right? So the rewards flow to active community building. Those who genuinely engage, educate, and help expand the network. Right, so compliance and the disclaimer, please read carefully before you participate in the Matrix Booster. Like in anything in life, there is a risk involved in anything. All right, so this information is provided for informational purposes, and this presentation is for educational and informational purposes only. And it should not be construed as financial advice. Matrix Booster is a participation-based rewards protocol, not an investment platform, not the ROI. Right, and no income is guaranteed. Cryptocurrency and Web3 interactions carry inherent risks. Each has its own risk. Right, different risks involved, yeah. Right, so please do your own research and never commit funds you cannot afford to lose. And please do not go and sell your house and your car to participate in any platform. Right, do not be irresponsible. And the Bible even warns us about this. It tells us to keep our lives free from the love of money and to be content with what we have. Because God has said, never will I leave you and never will I forsake you. So we can say with confidence that the Lord is my helper, I will not be afraid. What can mere mortals do to me? What can mere man do to me? Right, so I don't want to preach to you, but that is, we need money for daily surviving. So yes, but we are not making a God out of money. All right, this is ways to increase our income. And we have explained to you the smart contract way of handling that because it is, you don't have to trust human beings here. Now I just want to take you to the website itself. Yeah, here is the website, the breakdown of it, of the entry fee again, 0.01 BNB. You get sent instantly 0.004 BNB, 40% of that. And then 20% of this gets distributed, or 60% actually, gets distributed to 3 levels above you. All right, so that's 20% to each level. All right, and then per matrix level, so you can see that it's going to be 0.0020, and of that 0.014 or 70% goes to the matrix, or goes to you. 30% of that goes to the feeder of this level bonus, the matrix pool. So there's basically two: is a direct referral and there's a matrix pool. Now this gets sent directly to your wallet. This direct referral and the 70% active gets sent to you instantly. All right. This 30% gets managed by the contract per wallet, per position that qualifies for that. And once it reaches that the threshold, it will look like this. Let me just connect the wallet here and refresh it. Great. It does take some time, but it should open very, very soon. But you will look at that, you will see that in the positions. This wallet is not connected now. You cannot show the positions. Then there's also a tree view where you can see this is, and this is the only positions registered in this platform so far. That's the main root ID. This is the developer's position. And then, not sure who that is yet. But here you can see already there's a matrix target. It's indicated there. It already accumulated 0.003 BNB out of the 0.01 BNB. That is for the matrix feeder. And here on the second position, you can see because he's on there's one underneath him already. He received 0.0006 BNB as the PDF explained. Right, and out of that 0.001 BNB. Once this matrix target is finished and completed, it will show apex target. Right, so that is your tree breakdown. Let's just look at the activity. It's not connected. Why doesn't it want to open? It was open just before this meeting. All right, we will open it now again. So here you can see another breakdown of the smart contract payout. Again, 40% goes to the sponsor. In other words, 2, 3 direct referrals and your profit immediately. And there's no limit to the number of positions you can refer. The matrix gets distributed to 3 uplines, 60%. And then your feeder balance, where you claim these 0.01 for the matrix when you reach your target. And on stage 2 is the apex target 0.015 gets claimed when that 0.015 is reached, and that gets sent to your wallet immediately, and you register in Apex or in the matrix. All right, so let's see if we can connect now. The wallet open. Yes, it is open. Just make sure I'm on the correct. Wallet now. Yeah, this is the root wallet. Looks like that. Let's I'm going to reject any action. Let's try this. Right, there it goes now. So this is what I wanted you to see. See the progress. Position, this is the root wallet. The first position, we started the numbers at 777. Matrix target, it is now 0.003 out of 0.0001. So once it reaches this bar is complete, it will say claim. You'll be able to claim that money. It will go straight to your wallet. You'll be able to register in the matrix. All right, so your positions that your wallet is going to register, or you can copy your referral link here and you can copy it there as well. And then the positions that will register on your link will appear here. All right, so here is just a breakdown of you must just activate this. There's another position status breakdown. Here you can see the live update. It's not claimable. This is the feeder update. Feeder balance is 0.003 and the current balance is the current target 0.01 BNB. This is for the matrix target. Once matrix is complete, it will say apex target. Right, so this is the contract address. You can view the contract right here. We can go there now. You see that it is also verified. Right, these are the two positions that was added besides the original position. Let me take you to this one here. This is the same ending with 28A1C. The contract. Go to the contract section. Right, so here is the code that is managing every activity in this contract. So you have the read contract, you have the write contract. But let's go to the code back again. So here, this is the matrix booster. Okay, it is verified, source code is verified. Here is the codes and so on. Right, you can come and write, do registrations, all of those things on, it says add position. This is the same as entry or register. It just says enter. It doesn't say enter, it says add position. So you will just connect your wallet, put in the amount, and then put in the sponsor ID. It's very, very simple and easy, not difficult, not complicated. Here is the read section. You can read here the active split. Remember, these values cannot be changed by anybody. This will stay exactly the same. Right, until the last day that the internet exists. Right, okay, so you can see that everything is transparent. Nothing is hidden. Let's go to transaction. Yeah, it shows when the contract was deployed, or yes, deployed late last night, around this time, 12 hours ago. And then the developer position was added 11 hours ago, and then someone registered this morning half an hour ago. Right, so all of the transactions are visible, everything is traceable. There you go to internal transactions. You can see 33 minutes. You can see there is 4 transactions there. What I explained, there's the 40% went to the to the sponsor. 60% went with distributed to 3 different uplines. So in this case, there is no 3 levels yet. So what that means is the ancestor list positions or payouts goes to the root wallet position, and it is used for extra positions, feeding at the bottom again. Right, and it also goes to the developer. So that needs to be understood. All right, but here is the proof that it works. And remember the root feeder balance will, where am I now? Will be paid out to this one as well. Once this bar is completed. Right. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you. I don't know if there's any questions from anyone. I'm just going to stop the recording.